Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone, and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. So before going ahead, am I audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Yes. So I'm audible and my screen is visible. That's great. Once again, good afternoon to everyone and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. Phoenix Commodities is purely into training and grooming people for commodities market in India. And our mission is to empower and educate people for different asset classes in India. As a part of our initiative towards spreading learnings and awareness about commodities market, we have started this free learning series, a commodity Pathshala. It is a new series which I have started to discuss about live commodity market, the recent commodity trends worldwide and specific to India. So here I also discuss points like why commodities, who should learn and invest in commodities market, why one should bother about commodities, the potential and scope of commodities as an upcoming segment, and many more important things. Before going ahead, let me introduce myself, a quick introduction about myself. I am Hidal Shah, co-founder at Phoenix Commodities, MBA and MCX certified commodity professional. Yes, I've already trained more than 1,000 members under the brand name Phoenix Commodities, and happy to share that all are having gala time trading commodities. So as I told you, as a this series, Commodity Pathshala has been scheduled to discuss recent commodity trends worldwide specific to India and what is the potential and the scope of commodities as an upcoming segment and many such important things related to commodities. Now, as today it's a Good Friday, it's a market holiday, right? But let's use this time to our advantage rather than discussing on a specific commodity charts and technicals. Let us all spend some time to strategize our new financial year which has just started. I think all of you are fresh for today's session, am I right? Great, I'm getting reply from everyone. Good to see huge number of attendees in today's webinar. Yeah, once again, I would like to ask you all that I'm audible and my screen is visible, right? Those who are facing any issue in audio or if the screen is not visible, you can just re-log in yourself and you will be getting it right. Yes, Kumar sir, you can just re-log in yourself and you will get audio as well. Yes, that's true. And before laying down today's agenda point, let us have a little bit discussion before or that what sort of planning you people have done for this new financial year, which has just started, right? Yeah, that's true. Planning is very, very important for anything we want to achieve. Correct. Yes, the recent COVID pandemic has changed world dynamics altogether. It has changed the way companies used to work, people used to do businesses, and see, the lot of acceptance had came towards work from home. For even white collar jobs, they are working from home. Lot of downfall in commercial real estate and lot of dependence on data plans and broadband connectivity. Am I right? We all are able to communicate seamlessly because of the data plans and broadband, isn't it? Yeah, so as they say, data is in the is the new oil. I would say that the broadband connectivity is the new real estate, and most of traditional businesses are out of business and earnings, and there are even job cuts, pay cuts, and few are earning like mad. That's true. I'm getting wonderful replies from everyone. Yeah, that's true. That hospitals, laboratory, grocery stores, consumer goods, e-tech companies, etc., who can easily adapt and scale to digitization, they are taking advantage of this. So, as a common man, sooner we adapt to new dynamics, sooner we will be financial secure. And everyone want to have a secondary source of income. Am I right? Everyone want to secure their finances. Yes, whatever business or profession you are, you can easily start trading and investment, as it all it requires is just a mobile phone and a data plan, which everybody has got nowadays, and a little bit of money to invest, which one can easily manage. And see, but the main thing what people feel, or what people doesn't understand, people fail to understand that if you start without having proper knowledge, you will fall prey to the market mafias sitting on the other side, right? So invest in your learnings before starting your investment and trading journey. It's good to see huge number of attendees join to learn something new. Definitely, we are going to explore many beautiful uh, avenues that how you can start your investment in the new financial year. Yeah, I can see that many members have missed commodity Pathshala part 1 and part 2, which we have discussed many live market dynamics in the commodity Pathshala part 1 and part 2. Today I'm going to lay down today's agenda point as a commodity Pathshala part 3. Those who have missed it, they can just do one thing. This is our website, Phoenix Commodities. You can just log in Phoenix Commodities website. You can go in the learning tab, and here you will be getting the part 1 and part 2. Those who are willing to just go through the Pathshala part 1 and part 2, they can definitely go through by registering at our website. So this is our Phoenix Commodity website, where you can register and can go through the previous learning videos, as well as you people start following us on Phoenix Commodity free channel, where you will be getting the live market updates. So don't miss to subscribe yourself, or to join our Phoenix Commodity channel. Okay. Yeah, so I've already told you people that those who have missed previous session, you can just go through the recordings through our website, and yeah, be part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel for the live updates, for the live labels, and many other information related to commodities. Now, I can see that the majority of the members have joined for the first time, and today I'm going to discuss what is the power of compounding in commodities. Let me lay down today's agenda point before going ahead. Yeah, so today according to the crowd, I'm going to discuss why one should learn commodities, what are myths about commodity trading, different categories of commodities, power of compounding in commodities, why to learn commodities from Phoenix Commodities, as well as the question answers. You can put up all your questions. Question window is just in front of me. I'll be answering to your questions at the end of the session. Let us start the session. First of all, why one should learn commodity trading, or why one should invest in commodity. What is the power of commodities? So let us explore that. You people will just not believe that you can't only generate a secondary income, but with the help of commodities, you won't be able to realize that when your this secondary income will surpass the primary income. So all of you are ready for this? That's great. Thanks for replying. That's great. Yes, definitely. So why to learn commodity trading? The first and the biggest advantage of trading in commodities is a high leverage. The segment commodities are having an inherent characteristic to be less volatile than any other segment. So the margins required here are just around 4 to 6%. Yeah, definitely. I'll be showing you that what the capital is required to trade in commodities, how you can start your trading in commodities. And yes, Sandeep sir, as you are asking me, I'll definitely put up that as well. Nitin sir, if there is any issue that you are not able to listen me, you can just re-log in yourself and you will get it right. Okay. Yeah, I'll be showing you people live right now. You people can just do one thing. Let me show you. You just need to uh, put up a RMS live update in the Allies Blue and you will be getting the complete list of the margin which is required to trade in commodities. Here you can see that you can start your trading in commodities with the minimum capital. See, by crude oil you can start with a 47,000, so it is 46580. For natural gas you can just start with a 13,854. That is almost near to 14,000, right? So Sandeep sir, you were asking me that how one can start trading in commodities with 10,000. So if you have less capital, you can start with the silver mini, you can start with silver micro, where you require just 4,000 rupees of amount in your account. You can start trading and on a daily basis you can multiply your capital. In short, the commodities is having all sort of potential where you can start with minimum capital and can grow it as per your skills. Okay, so is it clear what is the capital required for trading in commodities? Definitely, Rakesh sir. See, there are many members. I'm coming to that question also. There are plenty of advantages in trading in commodities. First of all, let us finish this. Yeah, so everybody is clear with what the capital is required for trading in commodities. This keeps on changing. Margin limit keeps on changing. You people can just yeah, you can just search for the RMS live update for the Allies Blue, and these are the margin requirement. Why I'm showing Allies Blue? Because Allies Blue is the best platform where you will be the margin requirement for trading in commodities would be quite lesser than any other platform. So definitely it works very well. You can go with the Allies Blue. Gold Mini, even you can start with 20K. So there is plenty of possibilities where you can start with the minimum capital and can multiply your capital. You people just look at the natural gas. I'll be showing you people the power of compounding in natural gas as well. So yes, margin requirement is just around 14,000. Now let us go ahead to the next point or the next advantages of trading in commodities or why one should learn trading in commodities. Yeah. So that was high leverage. Now, second important point of trading in commodities is less manipulation. See, if you people will just observe that whatever the categories we would be trading in commodities, they are internationally linked. These commodities are traded globally. They are governed by international price movements, see by crude oil, say by natural gas, base metals, and bullions, gold and silver. These commodities are not only traded in India, but they are traded globally. Yes, if you do have an account of the global market, then you can even trade in global market. There are many members in our from our batch. Yeah, there are many batch members which are trading in a US dollar and minting like anything. They are minting profits in lakhs. Okay, it's quite easy for them to mint it because they know the technicals, the same sort of the technicals and the same setup you can implement in the global charts and you will be getting amazing results. So here the manipulation is almost near to impossible because unlike few scripts or one or two operators or directors cannot rig or dump the prices of crude oil or natural gas or any of the commodities which have been traded globally. They can't take the investors for ride. It is not possible in commodities. It is having their own actual usage. Hope you all are understanding this point. And because of this biggest advantage, we can easily mint money in commodities. Technicals works amazingly because of the less manipulation. Yes, the next is the portfolio diversification. Now, commodities can diversify Commodities can diversify a portfolio. Commodity prices are prone to supply demand dynamics, weather conditions, geopolitical tensions, natural disasters, and accordingly, it is definitely an independent asset class. It can prove to be an effective means of diversification in anyone's portfolio. Okay, and we all know, as we are Indians and we are highly attracted to invest in gold and silver. So we all know that it is a very effective means of diversification in anyone's portfolio. Next is the hedging. Now, risk events such as war, economic crisis, right now we are facing the pandemic, can lead to depreciation of an investor's asset, and such events affect financial assets like stocks, bonds negatively, and they may also lead to the rise in the prices of certain commodities like bullions. So this commodity can act as a potential hedge against some event risk, or it can be a very effect, or I would say it will act like a buffer against losses. Yeah, and it is a natural hedge. Now, flexible timings, as Rakesh sir is asking me the same question right now. Many such members, they would be professionals, they would be engineers, there would be doctors, there would be housewives, even students. They won't be having the complete day to, or the yeah, the definite time slot to trade in equity or any other segment. But commodities is having a huge time flexibility. Commodity market starts early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and ends at 11:35 p.m. Okay, so you are getting 14 plus trading hours. Now, if you are also having a global account, if any one of your friend is or any relative is staying there, and if you have an account or your own account at the global market, you can trade for 23 hours a day. So people doing job can easily pursue this. You can plan accordingly. There are many members, those who are only trading in the evening session. There are many members, those who are trading only after 10 o'clock. Okay. There are many members, they are finishing that trading early in the morning between 9 to 11. So it is giving us a good opportunity. It is giving us a 14 plus trading hours, and it can be definitely good secondary source of income. As I already told you people, you will never realize that when this your secondary income will surpass this first source of income. It is having all that potential. Okay, technicals works wonderfully. This year we need to consider global participation. Whenever you are trading in commodities, you just need to realize that you are not only trading in commodities, you are not only trading in the domestic market, you are trading in the global market. Okay, so you'll be getting global linkages. There would be less manipulation, and it respects technicals like anything. Again, I would like to add a few points over here. Say by before going to myths of commodity trading, let me show you people the MCX website and the products which we are going to focus in commodities. Yes, as there are many new members, I would definitely like to show you people. You people can see over here that we have a very limited products to focus. Here we don't have to focus on thousands of scripts. Here we have just a gold. Gold is having the multiple contracts. If you have less capital, you can start your trading with gold mini, gold Gunia, gold paddle, silver mini, silver micro. Again, the base metals, there are only 4 to 5 base metals which we need to focus, and energy, the only 2 energy which we need to focus. So hardly we are having 8 to 9 scripts to focus. We don't need to focus hundreds of scripts. Just we need to understand its way of working. We need to pick up the perfect vein and can easily mint commodities. It's quite easy. One another important advantage of trading in commodities is that yet the growth opportunity is pending. That means, see the index had just started. This is the bullion index and the metal index. It is slowly it is picking up. Yeah, the volumes like Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is this bullion index and metal index has just started and they are picking up. So it is the right time to invest in your learning. So when this growth opportunity comes, you can just grab this opportunity only if you are prepared for it. And it is yet pending, and you can take an advantage of this. Again, the options and the commodities are yet to pick up. Yes, there are options. That is index as well, but it is yet to pick up. So in short, when the growth opportunity or the growth curve is steep, yeah, then we may get a huge opportunity in upcoming days. I would say within 10 years, the dynamics of the commodity market will be completely different what is right now. Right now also it is giving a huge opportunity to build your capital, to scale up your capital and start your investment with the same capital which you are making through daily trading. But in upcoming 10 years, the complete scenario would be again a different, and it will be giving you lots of more opportunities. That's great that you people are already exploring the options, though the liquidity is little bit less. Yes, on such a wonderful trading days when you'll be getting good volume, at that time it is also giving wonderful results. Rakesh sir, it's nothing risky in commodities. As I told you people, let me show you people. I'm getting plenty of questions. So first of all, don't miss following us on our Phoenix Commodity free channel, public channel. Be a part of it so that you people will get the complete updates on the daily basis, and you will understand that what is the power of trading in commodities. Yeah, today, as I told you, I'm going to explain you people the power of compounding in commodities. I'm not explaining the live market or the what has happened yesterday. And here you people can see this is the yesterday screenshot which I have posted, which we have posted in our free channel. It is from our Phoenix Commodities batch 1 to batch 14. Here you people can see that the members are even trading in the global market and they are maintaining huge. Yeah, today was a long weekend, as we all are knowing, due to the Good Friday, the global market is closed, but people had maintained a lot for the complete long weekend, and the power of the commodities is too huge. On a daily basis, we are making a huge profits by just investing in little bit of learning. Yeah, this is for the 1st April. We all had started the new financial year. Yeah, Phoenix Commodities has started the new financial year with a bang. All the levels which were been posted over here had given had worked as a jackpot. Yeah, the single nickel call, if anyone would have taken, they would have scored more than 25,000 rupees of profit, which was posted in our free channel. So as I told you people, very less commodities we need to focus and see how members are doing wonderful job even in the global market or in the Indian market. Yes, I'm getting the questions, what is Genie, what is the master's channel, and yes, all that I'll be explaining you people, so just hold on your eagerness for that. But I was showing that yes, it is possible to trade even in the US dollar, and you can start your planning effectively for a new financial year and can start minting it. You can just browse this Phoenix Commodity channel. You can just check the levels which are being put up by our members. You can check the performance of the previous month in the Phoenix Commodities testimonial channel as well. Just go through this. It is having a huge potential, and yes, even the normal members can work on it. As they are traded globally, the manipulation is minimum and the risk is minimum. Now I'm also getting few other questions. I'm coming to that, but those who have further queries, you can just just be part of Phoenix Commodities free channel. You can contact support team and you will get all your answers regarding the Phoenix, regarding our curriculum and the batch 15 and all other things. Let me come again back to the agenda points, and then again we'll be answering all your questions, so don't worry for that. See, now myths about commodity trading. Here also I'm getting few questions like that, and people are coming and asking me that commodities market are only for big industrialists and importers or exporters. Is it possible for us to trade in commodities? So this is a complete myth. The fact that you can start your trading with a 4,000, 5,000 and 10,000 or 20,000, this fact itself denies that this is a Yes, it confirmed that it is a myth. Even a small common man can just start its investment or can start its trading in commodities with a minimum capital, and it's not only for big industrialists. Any common man can take a pie of it. Too much of volatility. Now, the fact that the margin requirement for trading in commodities is very, very less. This fact itself tells us that there is no as such volatility. Yes, you need to consider global volumes. Definitely, one need to consider global volume, and we should take an advantage of that. It's not giving any sort of volatility. Now, compulsory deliveries. People are coming and telling me that if I trade in the commodities, do I need to take a compulsory deliveries for that product? No, it's not at all compulsory. As a trader, we don't need to even think about that. We just need to close our trading before the tender period, and all the broker who are allowing us to trade in commodities give us a facility to close our or square off our position before the tender period, and we don't need to worry for this any sort of compulsory deliveries. Now, next question is not the next myth is not enough time to focus, already busy with equity, booms, etc., currency, etc. So here you are getting the flexible timings to trade. You are getting more than 14 plus hours to trade. You just need to select your time, choose your time, choose your move, and just mint easily. It's quite easy to mint money in commodities. It's not at all hard, because here we need to focus very few commodities. Okay, let me again show you people this MCX website. Very less product to focus. We just need to understand the sentiments, as well as strong robust technical setup can give you amazing results. We just don't need to focus too much. And if you people are interested to find out any sort of fundamentals, as I'm getting questions right now, that what are the fundamentals of commodities, or what is how it is focused, then I'm showing you people. See, by if you are interested to know more about the crude and crude options or the crude contract, it's yeah, you can just press this is the MCX website. You can just go through the product specification, you can read over this, and you will be getting the complete information about the contract or the crude fundamentals, and you'll be getting all sort of information which is required. What is a 1 point of movement? Yes, 1 point of movement in the crude is giving 100 rupees of profit. Yeah, definitely we can carry forward our position in the crude oil. We can square it off on the same day. We can do position, we can do investment as well. So all sort of information you'll be getting over here. If you need any further, yeah, so it is a very good and very resourceful website. The one who is interested to know more about the commodities which they are planning to trade, they can definitely dig into this, and you will be getting all the options of futures, what are the futures been traded, what is the and as well as the options. So all sort of information is provided over here. Yes, and you can just browse it to dig it more. Yes, definitely the potential of trading in commodities is too huge. Still, as I'm getting the plenty of questions, just I like to show you people. The people are recovering the fees in a day, and they are minting the huge profits, say by in the lakhs or in the crores, if we are getting a good one-way directional move according to the technicals. Yes, we need a proper technical setup. Let me show you people. You can just check this. This is our master's channel, and you people can just see that what sort of the profits they are making for intraday trading in commodities, as well as for the positional. You can go for the positional trades as well as for the intraday. The potential is too huge in commodities. Just little, definitely one need to know little bit of fundamental and a strong robust technical setup to take your move or to decide your move for the technicals. Now, the power of technicals, or what is the result of a technical, you people can just, I'm showing you people commodity. Yeah, you can just follow, or you can just take out few minutes to go through the testimonials of a Phoenix Commodities. Here you people will be getting the Excel sheet of our Genie Research Ideas. Genie channel is providing the levels on the basis of the setup which we are teaching to our members. It is enhanced team of Phoenix Commodities, and this is the performance sheet of the March month of Genie channel. You people can just browse this channel and you will be getting the complete each and every trade of Genie Research Ideas, their profit, their stop losses, and more than 100, more than almost 200 members are sitting in Genie channel. The profit which we are showing over here would be less than what we would have received, but not more than that. It has been it has been maintained. This Excel has been maintained on a daily basis, and we do share it here. You people will be getting the complete Excel sheet of Genie Research Ideas for the past 2 years and the ROI. So those who are having any sort of queries, that is the what is the profit potential of trading in commodities, how we can maintain intraday. So I would like to tell you people that please go through this channel and just try to understand the power of technicals and the uh, yeah, the potential of profits in commodities, and all these are intraday trades. You people can just check that how many red and how many greens are there if you don't want to check the mark, and it is not only for 1 month. Your past 2 years, so almost 24 months of Excel sheet has been posted over here. We are maintaining this channel since more than 2.5 years, and the Excel sheet of the past 2 years are being seen over here. This is the Genie Research Ideas which has been maintained by our in-house technical team, and they help our members, those who are the part of our batch 1 to batch 13. They will be getting research levels on the basis of the technicals which we are teaching. So it is helping them to like learn and earn together. Okay. Yeah, so that was great. Now let us come to the important topic which I'm going to take today, power of compounding in commodities. So now today I'm going to explore a very important thing, and you people can even start your financial year, start the planning of your financial year by definitely by following this. So what is a part of compounding? Now, first of all, power compounding, we all know that the compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and the one who understands it earns it. The one who doesn't understand it has to pay for it, right? We all know that the one who understands the power of compounding can roam easily the seven wonders of the world by earning through it. Correct? On a lighter side, yeah. So what is power of compounding and how we can implement it in commodities? How it is possible? See, first of all, before going to this presentation, let me show you the Excel sheet. Yes, as I'm getting plenty of requests for natural gas, I've just prepared an Excel sheet for NG, natural gas. 1 point of profit in natural gas is giving you 1250 rupees of profit. Now, as I showed you people, I already showed you people that the investment requirement for trading in natural gas as of now is just 13,854. So we need 14,000 rupees in our account to trade in one lot of natural gas, and it is just in front of you. Now I am starting my investment journey with 20,000. Now just tell me, 20,000 is not a big deal to manage, right? Yes, we can start our journey with the 20,000. It's a quite easy to start your investment or start your trading journey with the 20,000. I am just targeting 1 point of profit per day. 1 point of profit per day will be giving me 1250 rupees of profit. So I'm just targeting 20 trading days. The one who would be actively trading in commodities, they would be knowing that 1 point of profit is quite easy in natural gas. Am I right? Yes, I'm getting wonderful reply that it is quite easy to get 1 point of profit in natural gas after profit and loss. after profit and loss, I am just targeting 1 point of profit in a day. Once I am done with my target of 1 point of profit in a day, I will be closing my terminal. So I am just targeting 1250 rupees of profit per day. And and if I'll be calculating, or if yes, here I am only considering 20 trading days. So 1 point of profit in a one day would be 1250, and the 20 days at the end of the month, I will be getting the profit of 25K. After profit and loss per day, I am targeting just 1 point of profit in natural gas and 14 plus trading hours. Okay, the same thing, the same process definitely after investing in learnings, after working on my strong robust technical setup as well as little bit of fundamentals, I am starting the same thing with a 2 lot in the next month. It is not possible without practice, proper research, proper analysis, and after investing in learnings only we can start this. Now I am starting my journey with the 2 lots. Here I am doing the same thing, only targeting 1 point of profit per day. After profit and loss, only 1 point of profit. But next month, I'm trading with more conviction with the 2 lots. Okay, you can take your own time to jump for 2 lots. You can decide according to your convenience. First of all, everyone should invest in learnings, and they can prepare their own Excel sheet in the same way which I have showed over here. Third month, I'm starting the same procedure with the 5 lots, and the fourth month, I'm starting the same procedure with the 10 lots. I'm not taking out my profit for just for 5 months. I'm compounding it. Whatever profit I'm getting, I'm just trying to multiply my capital. So after 5 months, when my capital is almost near than to, yeah, 5 lakh, I will be deducting or taking profits from the first month like 4,70,000 and keeping my capital 5 lakh as a constant. Now every month I will be taking out my profit. So it is the power of compounding. Here I'm just compounding for 5 months, and I'm not increasing my lot size more than 10. You just need to follow this process, and you people can see the result at the end of the 2 years. Come on, tell me, isn't it amazing? What I'm targeting per day? Only 1 point of profit in 14 plus trading hours. Is it so difficult? And this, yeah, sorry. Yes, this discipline you need to follow for 2 years, and believe me, you will enter into the magic phase of your life. See, after profit and loss, Rakesh sir, I am targeting just 1 point of profit per day. Definitely, the people who are new in this, they may find it difficult. So you will have to invest in your learnings. You will have to do plenty of research, analysis, and then come up with the actual trading. Until and then, you can't start your actual trading. You will have to you will have to invest a little bit in your learnings before starting this. Okay, just 1 point of profit per day. If you people will follow this thing, see, I'm not only showing you people, our members are following it and they have gained wonderful results. Definitely, I'll be showing you people how our members are doing it. In all the group members, we are having the members, those who are focusing only on nickel, they have prepared their own compounding Excel sheet and they are doing wonderful job in nickel, in zinc, in crude. Okay, and see, in crude, we are just targeting 10 points of profit. Yes, Ajay sir. So there would be some days when I would be ending on the loss or no profit and no loss zone. So I am targeting only 20 trading days per month. Okay, and little after research and analysis, after doing a proper virtual trade, paper trading, then only I can jump for actual trading and just targeting point of profit. I'm not telling you people that like our members are doing, just start with a definitely after investing in learnings, all are getting beautiful results because they had given a hard work. You just need to follow the process. First of all, you all should understand that the time is your friend and impulse is your enemy. And patience is the master key over here. Ajay sir, I would like to answer your questions. So here you need to be patient to just jump for your trading. You can't trade on every day unnecessarily, and you'll have to stop yourself from taking unnecessary trades. You just need to follow this discipline for a few years in your life, and believe me, you will be in the magic period of your life. But just answer my one question: is the common sense that common? Come on, are we getting common sense that easily? No, as they say that common sense is not common, simple things are not simple, but most difficult to achieve. It's not that simple. Yes, it can give us amazing result if we follow with a dedication, but it's difficult to achieve. So you need to follow the process. The first thing what everyone should do is open your eyes. You people are lucky enough, you had already at the stage one, you already know that what is the potential of commodities and how you can multiply your capital with commodities. You had already opened your eyes. Second is to realize the unlimited potential. I think you all had realized the unlimited potential of commodities, right? Now third is the execution. Here it is the biggest thing which we should execute. No, Pritam sir, the margin requirement is the same which I had showed you, sir. Nothing more, nothing less than that for intraday trading. The margin requirement for trading in natural gas is just 14K, even less than that. Now you need to execute it smoothly. First of all, you need to invest in your learnings. You need to learn proper. You can trade in whatever platform you want. Okay, sir, but you need to invest in your learning before jumping for any trade. You can't risk your hard-earned money. You need to take proper training. You need to invest in your learnings. You need to have proper robust technical setup, and then you can start your journey. Just execute it smoothly and continue with dedication. So if you can do these things with dedication for next 2 years, the results are just in front of you all. Just see once again what are the results. Yes, and definitely it is possible. Let me show you people how our members are doing this. First of all, for such process or how this our members are achieving it, don't miss to be part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel. This is our Phoenix Commodities free channel. You people can see the subscribers. Don't be the part of the fake channel. You should be part of this channel. And yes, as you people want to see, I am having hundreds of such examples. Those who have already done this, I will be showing you people few example. Okay, the one who had already done this, yeah, from the batch 11 to batch 13. If you people will just browse this channel, you will be getting the hundreds of such examples. They have maintained this Excel sheet and had multiplied their capital. Yeah, let me show you people right now. Yes, and for a going behind, yeah, I'm already showing you people the how the people are maintaining it, but I would also like to go or tell you people that go through the testimonials link. Here you will be getting all sort of examples. And for the previous session, for whatever the previous session you have missed it, you can just go through our website and you will be getting it. This is the RMS live update as a Nilotpal sir, you are asking for that. This is the part 3, Commodity Pathshala part 3. Profit and loss is a part of our journey. The one need to learn how to manage the profit and loss. How one need to, yeah, let me show you. The first of all, let me explain you the way of work. See by how do Phoenix Commodities work? See, by this is a Phoenix Commodity Batch 14. Ajay sir, I would like to reply your question. See, here the members, those who are interested in the learnings are the part of Batch 14. Live sessions are ongoing right now. Ongoing batch is batch 14. They are learning and earning together. They are part of the group. They share their research ideas. They share their profit screen print, they share their losses, they share their where they went wrong. It's a continuous learning platform. And here you people can see that when see, it is a collaborative learning platform. If I am knowing 10% and if you are knowing 70%, collectively we know 80%, right? If many members would be knowing 50%, there many would be members those who are knowing 70%, collectively they are knowing 120%. It is like a share, do research, learn and earn together. They share each and everything. Otherwise, boring is too, if you do lonely or if you do alone, it's a boring job. But if you do in a group, where all the members are having the same aim to learn and earn together, they post each and everything. They post whatever they are learning on the daily basis. We do have a classes in the live market 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So this is the power of a collaborative learning platform. Again, Genie channel and the Masters channel will help you to be in the right side of the direction. They would be posting the levels according to the live market. Masters would be even trading on the same levels. They would be putting their levels in the Masters channel to help the complete community. And this is the way how our members are doing. I am showing you people the batch 14 group. Why? Because I'm showing you the batch 14 group, because here you people can see that the batch just started. Only I think only 10 days are done with the batch 14, and these people are making huge profits. You people can see, I don't need to show you people anything else, or I don't need to hide anything. It is live and transparent. He had made more than 50,000 rupees of profit in a single day. He is making more than 70,000 of profit per day in a commodities just by trading one or two commodities. This is the power, sir. Ajay sir, are you understanding? You just check the profit screen print. See the yesterday's profit screen print of these members. They are learning and earning together. Only with one lot they are trading and they are making this profit. So yes, if you are focused, if you are dedicated, then the possibilities are too huge. Next batch is going to start. The batch 15 is going to start on the 22nd May, and the offer for the batch 15 is too good. Till now we had completed 14th batch is going on, and here you people can see all the batch groups are live and they are actively trading. If you will check batch 12, if you will check batch 13, if you will check batch 11, you will see thousands of message per day. They learn and earn together. They share everything and they put up everything over here. It's like a learning and earning platform, and the Masters and Genie channel will always be helping them for the same. Yes, they are trading in options. They trade everything. They decide everything together and they mint it. They also, it's a continuous learning platform. So this is the power of the collaborative learning. So yeah, batch and all the sessions would be in the live market. Those who are, yeah, definitely I'll be showing you. See, our curriculum for the Phoenix commodity is curriculated in such a beautiful way that it covers fundamentals as well as the technicals, whatever is required to become a pro in commodity trading. We start with the fundamentals of commodities, and in technicals we start from very basic trend line patterns, candlestick patterns, and the chart patterns, Fibo levels, gap theory, oscillators, and divergences, Bollinger Bands, and the most robust is Ichimoku trading system, which you can use in any globally traded script. It is not only used for the commodities, but whatever scripts you will be trading globally. the forex and all that, you can use the same setup. Along with that, fundamentals and the inventory, which is a basic event for commodities, will be taking in the live market. All the sessions are in live market, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The session are almost, it has been scheduled for 21 days, but it gets over by 25 to 29 days of live session. So it is, and you will be added in the batch 15 group, which is already a two huge group, and where you can learn and earn together. So for the complete details about the course curriculum and how it works or the way of working, you people can just contact our support team and they will definitely help you all. Yes, Ajay sir, you can go with the EMI option. There is an EMI option available on a debit card, credit card, and you people are getting the plenty of such the things where you can use, and you can just start your learning today itself. By you will be getting the recordings of batch 14 today itself. As we all know that the second wave of corona is coming up and many people are working from home, so they can take an advantage of this by starting their learning journey from today itself. As it's a new financial year, everyone should have a resolution for a new year. Start and invest in your learnings. Yeah, learnings are priceless, and everybody will definitely get a result of this. You will be getting the recordings of batch 14 and you can join the batch 15 live. If you are interested for the batch 14 and if you want to start your journey right now, you can definitely contact our support team. They will guide you for the same, Rakesh sir. Okay, so this is what, yeah, this was the highlights of our curriculum. Yes, definitely, Ketan sir. Why not? I'll be showing you everything. You all want to check the Genie research idea. See, let us see the yesterday's, and you people can just go through Commodity Pathshala part 1 and part 2. Again, part 4, I'm going to schedule it in the live market. So I will be discussing live market dynamics of the global and the Indian markets as well. See, by yesterday all the trades were blockbuster by Genie. Okay, yesterday's evening session, I think more than 120 points of profit we scored in crude oil. Evening session, all other advanced levels. If you will go through nickel had given more than 20 points of profit. 1 point of movement in a nickel is giving 1500 rupees of profit. Yes, single trade is enough to recover our training fees. Why anyone will not go for learnings? And the learning and the knowledge, whatever you are gaining, is completely free. Everything, whatever I'm showing you people, is live and transparent, right? These labels and the screenshots are also being posted in the free channel. In Zinc, we have scored more than 2 points of profit yesterday. So this I'm showing you for you, Ketan sir. Are you understanding? Yes, so here you people can see that 2 points of profit in Zinc, that is 10,000 rupees of profit. 1 point is giving 5,000 rupees per lot. So this is the power of commodities. A single day is minting a huge profit. You can go through the Excel sheet of the March and you can just check the power of commodities. In copper itself, we have scored more than 4 points of profit, and all are the advanced levels, and see the power. In the morning, in the evening, we scored 120 points of profit. In the afternoon also, we scored more than 100 points of profit in crude oil. Yeah, in gold mini, we have scored more than 600 points of profit. So everything is transparent, and it is the daily which we are doing. Okay, definitely, Preeti ma'am, and those who are interested, please you contact our support team. They will definitely help you for the same, and they will guide you for the complete details. First of all, you just need to, this is our Phoenix Commodity free channel. Just register yourself in our Phoenix Commodity free channel, or just join our free channel for the live updates. You can register yourself in our website for the continuous learning session. Yes, I'm showing you Phoenix Commodities. This is our website. Go through this, register yourself, and you'll be getting the complete details. Yes, EMI option is available on a debit card and credit card, and many other things are available. The offer for batch 15 is too good. This is the offer which we had never came up with this offer before, because this is our second anniversary batch. We started our journey in the April before 2 years, and right now in the May, as it is our second anniversary batch, you can go through this batch 15, what are our offerings, and can go through this. Okay, Preeti ma'am, I'll inform the team, and you can right now put up a text message. They will definitely reply you, ma'am, and I'll definitely inform the team and will tell you to reach there. Here you people can see the offer which have been given for the batch 15. It is a pinned message. Go through this and you will be getting the complete details about that. The yes, the offer is too good to deny, right? You are right, and it is our second anniversary batch. Anyways, it was really a nice to meet you all, and I'm sure that you people would. Yes, first of all, thanks for engaging your patiently engaging with me for the past 1 year. I'm sure that you people have got some basic insights about the commodity market, its importance, and uh, yeah, in India as well as in the world. For continuous learnings and updates about commodity market, follow our channel Phoenix Commodities Free channel, and you can register in our website for a continuous learning. Yeah, you will get the complete details from our support team. Thanks a lot. We'll be meeting on next Tuesday as it is ongoing series Commodity Pathshala Part 4 on upcoming Tuesday. Hopefully, yeah, we'll be happy to see you all over there. Thanks a lot. Have a good evening. Yes, we do provide certificate as well, Vishnu sir. Yeah, for about the fees and the offers which are there for the batch 15, you can contact our support team, and you also will be getting the certificates for the same. Thanks a lot.